Hey everybody! In this video I'm going to show you some tips for working with Google Scholar to find additional sources for your lit review. So let's say that this is my target article, the article I started with, the starting point for my lit review. Now this doesn't have to be the main topic of your lit review, it just has to tie in somehow. So starting with this article, I can search for it on Google Scholar. Okay, I could have done the same thing by copying and pasting the article title over here. But before we do this, let's also look at some keywords. Most articles will list some keywords, so if you find yourself kind of stuck while searching through Google Scholar or trying to pick a broader related topic, look at the keywords. These are good search terms to use in Google Scholar. So, for example, if I searched for implicit theories, you can see that this is a term that is used a lot within the psychology literature. Another thing you can do in Google Scholar is restrict the date range. So if you want to look for more recent sources to discuss in detail in your lit review, you can limit by year. Another thing you might want to do is look for work by a specific author. For example, Carol Dweck is the big name in mindset and implicit theories of intelligence. So I could do okay. So here I have a search for articles by Carol Dweck containing the exact phrase implicit theories published in 2010 or later. Okay, coming back to our search for the title of our target article. Here you can see cited by. So this lists all of the publications that have cited that particular article, and you can search within these. Excuse me. So let's say I want to search within these for sources where they actually tried to manipulate mindset. Okay, so I searched for intervention. Another thing you can do over here is look at related articles. So sometimes Google's algorithm for this isn't particularly awesome, but it's worth looking at least a little bit if you're just kind of exploring, looking for other sources. Okay. If when you're doing your search, you're not seeing these library links that allow you to just go directly to the source through OSU, you have not successfully linked your OSU library account to your Google account. So there are instructions for that on my website, and I will paste the URL for you in the description below this video. Okay, if you have any additional questions or need some tips, please post in the Q&A.